a quick home outfit check. So the bottoms is from Mango. This was a cord set and this is 100% cotton. I am obviously not wearing it with the cord set because I prefer it wearing like this. For the top, I'm wearing a 100% cotton knit jumper that is from Banana Republic factory or outlet. I think the print is very nice. It's knit, so it gives a very different vibe and it's very different from anything what I have currently. It's a zebra, yeah. And the jacket or the top layer is the cardigan. This is also 100% cotton knit to provide some warmth. I'm always cold, so helps me. This one is from Ann Taylor factory or outlet mall. Yeah, this is my whole look. Just a tip, so I think an oversized cardigan or an outer layer really helps to enhance the outfit. So this is like a size L. You can see the shoulders are drooping, and I think it feels really comfortable, one, and second, it looks very cool as well. So yeah, that's the outfit of the day. And for accessories, I'm wearing my Cartier Clash bracelet. Yeah. And for necklace, I have the David Yurman 18K rose gold. Yeah, it's very pretty. Alright, yeah, that's the look. Bye.